about the rating. Now, what you do about the rating.
Lost. Right. Right. Officer Right.
What you say?
Oh, no, no, you were you.
I see.
Keep getting signs that.
Yeah,
I know, he's getting ready.
Oh, he ain't quite.
Yet, but he's coming. Mr. Mosley,
Yes,
good morning.
good morning.
Do you have a case in here today?
I think I do. I got ticket court.
Ooh. Okay, what's your date of birth, Mr. Mosley? Let me see where you belong.
10/11/92.
What judge do you know you were supposed to be in front of?
I really don't know. That's why
I know. Okay, hold on, Mr. Mosley, hold on.
thank you.
Do you have a middle initial?
Yes, Ali.
Okay, I got it.
Test.
Okay, I have it. Um, You should be in courtroom 331, Judge Wagner.
Judge Wagner, 331.
Yes. Yes,
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you.
you're welcome.
All right.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Morning.
36 The 36th District Court, State of Michigan is non-session with the Honorable William C. McConaughey presiding. Court's non-session.
All right. Again, good morning. Madam Clerk, can you call the first case, please?
Yes, sir. Calling case number 2355504, the people of the state of Michigan versus Dejan Quentin Oates. The defendant is charged with count 1, homicide, murder first degree, premeditated. Count 2, weapons, felony, firearm. This matter is set for probable cause.
Good morning, and may it please this honorable court, APA Jonathan Hitz, appearing on behalf of the people, P 85288.
May it please this honorable court, William Noakes, P 42796 of the Neighborhood Defender Service of Detroit, on behalf of Mr. Dejan Quentin Oates. Mr. Oates, tell the court your name. And Your Honor, if he's not present from the Wayne County Jail on Zoom, I'd ask to waive his appearance.
Okay. Is any objection to that on behalf of the prosecution?
No objection, Your Honor.
Okay, his presence will be waived. Are there any preliminary matters?
Well, yes, Your Honor. I've discussed this matter with Prosecutor Hitz, and he indicates there may be an additional case filed against my client, but he anticipates that he will know that no later than March 10th. So we're asking for an adjourned PCC till March 10th.
And I would concur with that, Judge.
Okay. All right. Is there an agreed upon, Madam Clerk, is there an agreed upon time for the adjourned PCC?
March 10th at 8:35.
Okay. March 10, 8:35. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor. Good to see you.
Yes, indeed. Good to see you also.
All right.
Thank you.
Thomas Pace, parties ready on Thomas Pace.
Defense is ready.
Yes, ma'am.
Calling case number 2355663, the people of the state of Michigan versus Thomas Pace. The defendant is charged with count 1, assault with a dangerous, counts 1 and 2, assault with a dangerous weapon, felonious assault, count 3, domestic violence. The defendant is a habitual offender, 4th offense notice. This matter is set for a probable cause.
Madam Prosecutor.
Good morning, Your Honor. Tricia Gerard, P 43834, on behalf of the people.
Good morning, Neighborhood Defender Service by Kate DeMott Grady, P 83667, on behalf of Mr. Thomas Pace, who appears with us from the Wayne County Jail. Mr. Pace, will you please state your name?
Thomas Pace.
Okay. Are there any preliminary matters?
Your Honor, I've received paper discovery. I'm requesting digital discovery. The paper discovery does note there's a video at least, so there should be at least one video, if not additional body cam. So I'm requesting that digital discovery and an exam date.
Okay. Madam Prosecutor, please provide full discovery, including the digital discovery in this matter, all body cams, dash cams, or videos that are present. Madam Clerk, what's the exam date?
Exam date, March 14th at 11 a.m. in person.
Okay, thank you.
Thanks. And Your Honor, just briefly, if I may address bond.
Yes.
Mr. Pace currently has a personal bond. He is being held in the Wayne County Jail on a sentence. I'm requesting that the court impose a low bond, perhaps $50, just so Mr. Pace can be getting credit on this case while he's in custody.
Prosecution.
I have no objection to that, Judge.
Bond will be set at $50 cash. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
And
Mr. Pace, I'll come see you next week, okay?
Counsel, can you give the case? Counsel, can you give the case number that the bond? Excuse me, Ms. DeMont-Grady. So is the bond you're asking for on this case or the
Yes,
case?
Your Honor.
Okay. $50 cash bond on this case. All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Are the parties ready for Jolanda Nicole Riley?
Yes.
Yes, Attorney Quinn.
Calling case number 19-55255, the people of the state of Michigan versus Jolanda Nicole Riley. The defendant is charged with count 1, children abuse, international false report felony. Count 2, child abuse, fourth degree. This matter is set for a probable cause. I hear you.
Good morning, Judge.
Prosecutor, I'm sorry. Go ahead.
Good morning,
Oh,
Judge.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Your Honor. There's another, it's a double bagger case. I just was told.
All right.
Don't confuse me, what you're saying. I'm sorry, Your Honor. I'm sorry, Your Honor. I was told wrong.
Okay. Counsels.
Christopher Quinn, P694883, appearing on behalf of Ms. Riley, who's appearing via Zoom.
Your Honor, APA Tricia Gerard, I'll stand in on this matter, P43834.
Okay. Are there any, first state your name for the record?
Jolanda Riley.
I'm sorry.
Oh.
All right. Any preliminary matters?
I was asking for an adjournment, Judge, in order to get the discovery materials.
Okay. Madam Prosecutor, do you have any, has discovery been provided or are
I
you?
have no idea, Judge. I have this down as not being a special victims unit case, so I think an adjournment would be warranted. So Mr. Quinn and I or a representative of my office can get up to speed here. This is a 2019 case, by the way.
Madam Clerk, may I have an adjourned PCC date?
March 15th at 8:35.
March 15, 8:35.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. We'll be in touch, Mr. Quinn.
Okay, sounds good.
Are the parties ready for Brandon Taylor?
Yes, ma'am.
Calling case number 2355552. The people of the state of Michigan versus Brandon Taylor. Defendant number 2. The defendant is charged with count 1, home invasion, and count 4, domestic violence. This matter is set for probable cause.
Tricia Gerard on behalf of the people, Your Honor.
And good morning, Your Honor. Brian Brown, P80560, appearing on behalf of Mr. Brandon Taylor, who is present. Mr. Taylor, please state your name for the record.
Brandon Taylor.
Okay. Are there any preliminary matters, counsels?
I just need discovery to be tendered, and I also would like to address Mr. Taylor's bond.
Okay. Madam Prosecutor?
I obviously have no problem with tendering discovery, and that'll be sent right over to Attorney Brown. I guess I need to hear his argument regarding bond before I can properly respond.
Right. No, I was dealing with discovery right now. Okay.
Oh, yeah, I'll get him the discovery, sir.
All right. What is the defendant's current bond?
He's on a tether. However, he has some restrictions, and we would just ask that he just simply have a GPS tether. From my understanding, speaking with Mr. Taylor, he can only go from home to work. He's not allowed to attend his children's after-school activities. He's not allowed to go to the drugstore for his prescriptions. He's not allowed to do any type of shopping. So we'll just ask for those restrictions to be lifted, and this simply the GPS tether restrictions where he cannot go into a certain distance within the complaining witness's house, that to be left intact.
Madam
Your
Prosecutor.
Honor, his current bond is indeed a personal with a tether. It's a $100,000 personal, no contact with the complainant, direct or indirect. So I guess my question to counsel would be the after-school activities of the children in question. Is the victim in this case the mother of said children?
No, actually, the mother of the children is the other defendant, co-defendant. This is just somebody else. No kids in common.
Okay. So that would not be a violation of the no contact order, correct?
Correct.
All right. Judge, I honestly don't know much about this defendant and his prior history, other than the fact that he's currently charged with a very serious 20-year felony. So I hate to consent to removal of.
At this time, I'm sorry to cut you off, Madam Prosecutor. When is the exam date, Madam Clerk?
Exam is March 15th at 10 a.m.
Okay, March 15, 10 a.m. I am not going to change the bond conditions at this time. Mr. Taylor, I'm sorry you can't attend your kids after school activities at this time. Bond can be readdressed in 2 weeks in front of Judge King. But you are on tether, you're not in jail. You do have a personal bond. The court obviously is taking that into account. So bond will continue, but again, you do have the opportunity to make this argument in front of Judge King on March 15 at 10 a.m. Madam Prosecutor, please tender discovery immediately. Thank you very much.
Sir. Thank
All right,
you.
thank you.
Parties ready on X?
Yes,
Ready on
ma'am.
F.
Okay, calling case number 23-55598. The people of the state of Michigan versus Elijah Juan Chavez Shamar Epps. The defendant is charged with count 1, weapons, firearms possession by felon. Count 2, weapons carrying concealed. Count 3, operating license suspended, revoked, denied, causing serious injury. Count 4, motor vehicle, unlawful driving away. Counts 5, 6, and 7, weapons, felony, firearm. Count 8, driving reckless. Count 9, domestic violence. The defendant is a habitual offender. Fourth offense notice. This matter is set for a probable cause.
Good morning, Your Honor. Tricia Gerard, behalf of the people.
Good morning, Your Honor. Jad Kadaf, PA 2492, appearing on behalf of Elijah Juan Epps.
Mr. Epps, state your name for the record. Epps.
Oh, Your Honor, I was told by the officer in the courtroom, what did you say? He's in Macomb County Jail.
That is correct, Your Honor. There is another pending charge, and this is actually our second time with respect to these charges. Mr. Epps had a preliminary exam not too long ago and the people could not proceed. So for the purposes of today's hearing, I asked the court to waive his appearance, but for the purposes of the exam, if the court, if he's not out of the Macomb County Jail, we could potentially get a writ for him to appear, Your Honor.
The court will waive his appearance at this time. When is the agreed upon? When is the exam scheduled for, Madam Clerk?
March 21st at 11 a.m.
Is that enough time, Madam Prosecutor, to get the defendant written out if he's still in the Macomb County Jail?
I believe so, Judge.
All right, exam will be scheduled for what date again, Madam Clerk?
March 21st at 11 a.m.
March 21st, 11 a.m.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Okay, the last case. Are the parties ready on Daniel David Holtz?
Yes, we are.
All right, calling case number 2355681, the people of the state of Michigan versus Daniel David Holtz. The defendant is charged with criminal sexual conduct, first degree, multiple variables. Count 2, criminal sexual conduct, first degree, multiple variables. Counts 3, criminal sexual conduct, first degree, multiple variables. Count 4, kidnapping. Count 5, weapons, firearms, possession by felon. Count 6, assault with a dangerous weapon, felonious assault. Count 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12, weapons, felony firearm. The defendant is a habitual offender. Second offense notice. This matter is set for probable cause.
Good morning, Your Honor. May it please this most honorable court, Danielle Seamus appearing on behalf of the people, P 75908.
Good morning, Mayor. Please this honorable court, Larry Polk on behalf of Mr. Daniel Holtz, who is present by way of Zoom. My P number is 48164. Mr. Holt, would you state your name for the record, please?
Daniel Holtz.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Holtz. Are there any preliminary matters at this time, Mr. Polk?
Judge, I have the paper discovery. I don't know if there is any actual video discovery. If so, I'd ask that it be tendered and to me immediately, and then we can move forward with setting an exam date.
And Your Honor, there is quite a lot of digital discovery. I recently received, and I believe there were 3 approved search warrants for videos and various phone extractions. There are also photos of the vehicle in this particular case. So I do anticipate that there will be quite a lot of discovery. The amount of that would be presented at the exam, I think is a little bit yet to be determined. I anticipate only 1 witness, but I haven't gotten those phone extractions, nor have I gotten the surveillance video from the.
So with that being said,
related to this particular incident. So as soon as
very important part.
I'm sorry, Judge.
Yeah, after we only plan to call 1 witness. Basically, everything after that you were.
Oh, okay. I apologize, Your Honor. I didn't realize I was frozen. I do only intend to call 1 witness at the exam, but with that being said, I still don't. The extractions returned to me. Those search warrants were yesterday morning, and the surveillance video search warrants were the day before for some neighboring houses. I don't have those videos or extractions back yet. As soon as I get them, I will certainly give them to Mr. Polk. Any video or audio evidence that we do have, I can send over today. But I'm still waiting on quite a bit of video.
With that being said, Madam Clerk, what is the preliminary date for the preliminary exam?
March 21st. We did not set a time. Mr. Polk just zoomed in, so I hadn't had a chance to speak to him.
Okay. Mr. Polk?
Judge, so based upon what she's saying in reference to this additional video and the serious allegations set forth against my client, I absolutely am asking for, if anything, the PCC that be adjourned till the 21st to see what the status is of the actual discovery. I need that discovery to have an effective cross-examination.
Absolutely. The matter will be adjourned for continued PCC on March 21st. Give me a time, Madam Clerk.
8:35.
8:35.
That's fine.
Thank you.
Thank you. I appreciate that,
Thank you
Judge.
so much. All right, you and your staff have a great day. Thank you
also, Mr. Polk,
for the text, Madam Prosecutor. I'm in another city, unfortunately, another time, and I'm waiting to get on not realizing it's a time difference. So thank you.
No problem, Mr. Polk. I'll speak with you next week if you're,
All right, thank you so much.
Yep,
Everyone
take
have
care.
a blessed day. Bye.
You also.
Take care,
Mr.
everyone.
Amos, it's good to see you again. I haven't.
Good to
seen
see you, Judge.
I haven't
You
seen you
know,
since the pandemic, I think.
I know I've popped over to try to say hi, and I think we just miss each other a lot.
Yes, indeed. Well,
I've noticed we're not matching
we're
today.
not matching today. We're not Madam Reporter, APA Seamus and I just seemed to have a way every time she would do an exam in our court, we would both wear blue pinstripe suits or gray suits together. So it was our thing. So
Very weird.
yeah, everyone thought it was planned, but literally it wasn't. But it was our thing. All right, is that our last case, Madam Clerk?
That concludes the docket for courtroom 234, sir.